Hello all, welcome. My name is Nakul and I'm from the ithought financial planning team. Today joining me is Roshan from the investment strategy team. We have something very interesting planned for you today. We will talk about our own PMS offering, Sphere, and how it can aid an individual in the financial planning process. So Roshan, could you tell us a little bit about Sphere and how it can help an individual?
Sure. So Sphere really stands out in the PMS space and is a really unique product from us. It's a multi-asset fund, so it can invest in equity, fixed income, and precious metals. It does this through the means of investing in securities, ETFs, and mutual funds as well. Sphere is also global in the sense that it can invest in international assets. So with this product, we actually have a lot of options and a lot of opportunities to make use of.
It's a very good introduction, Roshan. Thank you. Now, can our investors know a little bit about how Sphere can help with their asset allocation from a financial planning point of view?
Yes, this is another very unique aspect about Sphere. So with a lot of mutual funds, if you look at hybrid funds, asset allocation funds, etc., they have a fixed ratio of equity and debt investing, probably like a 60-40, or they'll have a range. The unique aspect about Sphere is our range is 0 to 100. So I'm not saying that it's necessary that we take 100% exposure to debt or 100% exposure to equity, but this option and this unlimited free hand, right, if I could call that, this gives us the ability to act with conviction and really go into the spaces that we find attractive and make the most out of those investment opportunities.
Now that is something very great. Now I've come across financial planning individuals who have been worried about their specific goals. For example, funding their retirement or sending their children abroad. How can Sphere as a product with a long-term horizon in mind help an individual cater to these specific goals while also taking care of their entire asset allocation?
Yeah, so I'll address the children's education first. So for a fairly long-term goal like education abroad, say the goal is in like 8 to 10 years, Sphere can really help because we can invest in international assets here, right? And this time would give us the opportunity to enter into spaces where the valuations are attractive, right?
Now, most people consider retirement to be a very pivotal goal in their life. How can Sphere help them save towards this, and what can someone saving towards retirement expect from Sphere?
So Sphere is a very versatile product and it's fairly suitable for someone with a very long-term horizon like retirement, right? So this time that you provide us would enable us to invest in different asset cycles and play each asset cycle to your favor, right? So with Sphere, all of your investments are in one place, right? And the most important thing for you as an investor to do is to stay with conviction and keep on contributing to the portfolio, right? Constant contribution to the portfolio for a goal like retirement is a must, right? Because consistent contribution would help us in our investing and would also help you grow your wealth exponentially through compounding.
I agree. Consistency is very important in the financial planning process. So, for a person who is financial planning oriented, how can Sphere help with asset allocation as well as invest through different asset cycles?
We agree that diversification is very important. With Sphere, you're getting a product that can invest in the right asset class at the right time based on the opportunities available. For example, with fixed income, we can lock in at higher yields. With equity, we can lock in at lower valuations and take advantage of the asset cycle. The best part about Sphere is the dynamic approach to asset allocation. This would ensure that you have the right asset at the right proportion at the correct point in time.
Thank you, Roshan.
Thanks for having me.
It looks like overall Sphere is a great investment option for someone with a goal-oriented approach. Adding to this, Sphere can also provide adequate diversification which can help in achieving your goals. Hope you enjoyed this video and thank you from our side.